Hi viewers, welcome back to Classic Cookery. Today I'm going to unboxing and reveal some of the features about this thermal vacuum carafe. And this thermal vacuum carafe is from Tiken company. My friends asked me to review about this product, so let's go and see. So here is the box. I'm just opening here. So there is inside the one which we are going to review now. This is the one. This is from Tiken company, the thermal vacuum. So they have three different sizes available: 34 ounces, 51 ounces and 68 ounces. Here I choose 51 ounces size. So you can select the size according to your requirement. They have three different sizes. So here is the one I am going to open. And here they have product instruction manual. You can read the instructions. So this says, do not use bleach detergent containing clothing to clean the product, and you should not use this product in your micro oven, and avoid collision which may cause surface depression and damage. So as I already mentioned, they have three different sizes. You can see here in the picture. The middle one, 1.5 ounces, that is the one I choose. Do not pour liquids that are prone to high pressure, and do not use this product to store hot milk for a prolonged time. Means you should not use this product to store your milk for a long time. 51 ounces thermal vacuum carafe. This is the outside box. I'm just showing you how it looks like. So there is a 10% discount available on this product. I provided the link for the 10% discount in the description box. In case if you are interested, you can go ahead and use that code. Handle is made with PP plus TPR material. So this one is trigger action lever easy one hand operation, and you can see this one is spill proof top. And this one is like spill proof, and the sealing ring made with seal silicone material. This product is equipped with a vacuum layer and a heat insulating aluminum film layer between the double layer stainless steel bottle holders, which can maintain a long lasting heat preservation effect without using any external heat sources. So the inner and outer body of this vacuum made with 18 by 8 stainless steel material, and the lid was made with PP and stainless steel material, and the surface was made with PP plus TPR bottom. It increases the resistance and non-slip. And they also provided some cleaning instructions on the back side of the manual. So they provided how to clean outer body and inner wall and lid as well. So please follow this instructions manual how to clean before using. So I just clean with mild soap water before using. Make sure you have to clean before using. Here I am going to go and store my black tea. Is about 2 cups of black tea. Just for demonstration purpose, I am using some black tea. So let's go see here the steaming black tea I am pouring inside the flask, and just cover the lid. So after 2 hours I am going to use that black tea. So just I am pouring in a cup. You can see here is still steaming like very hot. So it's good for me, since I like to have tea almost every day, and I would like to drink warm water, sometimes hot water. So it is very useful for me. That is the reason I said okay for this product. So overall I like it. I'm giving 5. It's really a great idea for storing your hot beverages like coffee, tea and hot water for a long time. I really recommend this product, and I'm giving 5 stars. If you like this product, please share with your family and friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. I will see you next time. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.